driveway, your front door, or your back porch or whatever, but we'd like to get to some of them right now. Let's take the first one. This is from Jersey City, and I believe it is in it's at the waterfront near the Newport section. I mean, sure, we've seen pictures and video of stuff like this time and time again. Probably not the safest video to take. We sure appreciate you sending it in, though, but take these safely. Also, a viewer on Instagram sending us this photo from Port Washington. This is in Long Island, where a snow day didn't stop a couple of people from getting in a little bit of cardio. You can't go for a jog.